This is Maria from Prirodna. We are recording this video to make a quick case study about her application and what we built for her business. So, can you tell us a little bit what was your problem before we built your custom application?
I would gladly share my experience with you and with Pro-Level Solutions because it's a bit of a relief to work with with you. So I had my experience. It started so my business started firstly with friends. Then I moved online using Instagram and Facebook. But it was like everything was too chaotic. I didn't had the organization to with the orders and with all the information from the customers. So I needed some structure. And what happened is, firstly, I had one website before the one that I have with you that you created, and it was with what was the name of the team? Probably I don't. Maybe I shouldn't say it, but it wasn't very good experience with them because it took me a really long time to explain every each detail. We didn't really have a good communication process. We didn't have the calls, almost absolutely none. And from then on, I think a lot of things got really difficult. Um, and the end result was that the website wasn't working well, wasn't looking well, and I wasn't really feeling at more ease, which that was the point, because like each correction was taking so long to make, and I just got unmotivated, and I started to search for other options. So I found out about you. Actually, you suggested to help me, and from then on, we started working, and we got along very well in the process, and it was just so easy and natural. So everything was in a very good pace happening.
Yep,
Pretty.
I'm really happy how everything worked out. We built a really custom application for your business with a lot of functionalities. Can you tell us a little bit about the result? What do you like about the application? Where did you save a lot of time for you?
Absolutely. I'm in love with it right now because it saves me so much time. So maybe let's start with the what is called the back end. It's called. Should I
Yeah.
say about this? What we did there is probably the biggest difference that you did was with the warehouse. So all the bottles, all the sprays, all the little things that I need
All the
for
equipment,
all the equipment, all the products that are already made, like all the teas and all the tinctures, they're in different places, so I can track the amount that I have, and I can know if I'm running low, if I'm running low even just on the packaging or the product itself. So this is a very useful because I manage a lot of different small things, and with this system I can just click on my phone and know everything that I need. Another thing is the integration with the delivery company, and the fact that I can create the labels, so I don't have to make the order, like the delivery order, and to write down like every name, every number, like separately. So you made this integration, so I can just click the button to create the label, and I just go to the delivery office and just leave it there. They don't even need to ask for my number or my ID. I just leave it there. I don't wait on the line or anything. So this changed the game quite a lot for me, and it saves me a lot of time.
Okay, so let me share my screen really quick over here. And to show your website.
Also, yeah, we can also show the part that I can see when I have a lot of orders at once. I don't have to open each order, and there is this button that I can see all the products together, so I can prepare them, and then from then on I can make each order separately. So this is also very easy because otherwise I have to go like 50 times to pick up products. And with this one, I just pick them at once, and then
Yeah, so
uh,
you're talking about your orders. Over here, you can select them all and you can filter them to see what products you need to prepare for today, for example.
yeah. So yeah, I just filter them by date over there on the top, and then if they're all from one day, then
Yep,
I
it's
just
really useful. You have the filters over here. So let's go through the application. Basically, this is your dashboard about your sales. You have your warehouse over here where you can see and track your products, all custom built for you. You can see your products, all the things that you need to order, or if you're low in stock for something. Here are all your products that you create. And this is really interesting for me. It was fun to build this. This is your recipes for the products, right?
yeah, that's right.
You build a recipe. When you fill this recipe, it will track all the packaging, all the bottles, what it goes to produce a product. So basically, you know, when you produce a product, what is left in your warehouse.
Yeah,
This is your production, these are your sales, and so on. You have
yeah.
your
This even
orders.
helps me in the process of actually making certain products because I just go on the backend and I check on the recipe because it's always there. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. What else we got here? We got your client. We get to create events. You're also
Mm.
making events.
Yeah.
Your herbal bar, so you can track everything here. You can create your events. You have your
Yeah.
blog.
Yeah, exactly. We have the blog.
Now you are really
And
happy with
also
your
is
blog.
really for me a huge thing that I can actually manage things myself and I don't have to rely on you. So this is just amazing. This is for me probably the best thing that I can just don't have to always ask you to things and I can do it myself and it saves a lot of time.
Well, yep, that's the point. So you can manage everything with ease.
Yes, I had a big problem with the other website about this. It was like my
Hmm.
hands were tied. I couldn't do anything.
That's why we created a custom application tailored to your business, to your needs.
Yeah.
It's not just a regular website, but like an application.
Yeah, it feels so good to work like this. Everything is like in order, and it feels like how it should be. Yeah, not chaotic and all over the place. It gives yeah, it gives me a lot of benefits.
Okay, well, thank you for your time.
Yeah, it was my
Anything?
pleasure.
Yep. Would you suggest pro level solutions to other people?
Absolutely yes, and I very often do suggest because I think it's quite difficult to find people that are um, so understanding and patient with you. So they listen to you and they just not do things only for money. They actually care about your business and about your experience with the website. So I completely, absolutely recommend you as a team.
Thank you, Maria.
Okay, thank you very much.